So the next sentence, tu aimes dash écrivain. Now we have to look at the noun. It is masculine, singular, but it begins with a vowel. So you like this writer. So it begins with a vowel. So which demonstrative we use? We use cet. Tu aimes cet écrivain? C'est dash author. So now we are being specific. It is the author of a particular novel. So the noun here is, it begins with a vowel. So we write the definite article L apostrophe. Say l'auteur. So this is how we write the demonstrative and the articles. Now the next sentence, tu comprends das expression? You understand this expression, dash expression. So now take the noun. It is feminine, singular. So you write cette. Cette expression. Tu comprends cette expression? C'est dash expression difficile. So now here it is clear we need to use an article, an indefinite article, and since we know the noun is feminine, singular, we use une. So once again, read these sentences along with me. Tu aimes cet écrivain? C'est l'auteur du château de ma mère. Tu comprends cette expression? C'est une expression difficile. So now we know how to write the articles and the demonstrative, and we know how to fill them in sentences depending upon that particular context. So the demonstratives are se, cet, set, set and say, and the articles, indefinite articles are une, they, definite articles le, la and les.